guys, Cyber James here again with a new Power BI tutorial. This time we want to go around learn how to import data into Power BI. First of all, I want to start with the Excel file format. And this is the interface of the Power BI. And when you first open the Power BI, you get this interface where you have the visualization pane, you have the data pane, and then you have the file, the home, the insert, and the model and all. And we have the three report view, and we have the data view, we have the model view. These are the three interface which are the key issues in preparing the data. So let's go right into it. Now, first of all, when you want to start to import an Excel file, we come to get data. I advise you to use this pane because here you will see all the possible data importation techniques. Now, as it is loading, here are the different way and different source of data where you can extract data to bring it back into the Power BI. Now, let's start with the Excel workbook. For Excel workbook, I'll have to click Excel workbook, and then I have to locate the Excel workbook in my directory. Now I go to lesson. Here is my Excel workbook. I name it at VLOOKUP practice example. I click it and then I open it into the Power BI. Now, as it is opening, it will take me to the Power Query, which is the back end of Power BI, where data preparation and transformation is being done. Now it gives me all the tables that are present in that particular workbook. Now I have to just select one workbook and then I go transform and load. But you can select multiple workbooks, go transform and load. The reason why I go transform and load is because I need to do some data cleaning and data preparation. Now, as you are here in the Power Query editor, this pane is all the apply steps we'll have to record here. And here is the data that is in the workbook. So this is the way to import an Excel worksheet into the Power BI. So I go to the next one, which is the CSV file format, but almost is the same. So I'll have to skip that. I go to the text file format. For the text file format, I have to go get data, and then I have to go to more, because for the CSV file format and the text file format, you use the same technique as you are seeing it here, CSV and text. So you have to type in here if you did not see it here. So you have to type text. As you see text, you click text. And as I said earlier, that I'm going to import the text file format. Press connect. It's going to connect. And this is the text file format here. I need to connect to it. As I open it, it will open in the Power Query editor. I transform and load because I need to do some data cleaning on this particular file. For now, this is just a raw data and it does not contain necessary information actually, but I just use it as an example to show you guys how to import a text file format into the Power BI. So this is a text file format, and there you can do all various data transformation. You can append, you can remove column, you can choose column, you can add column, you can do all various transformation here. So this is the way how to bring a text file into the Power BI. After you finish your transformation, you can come here, you click close and apply. This applies to all other type of data. After you have done your transformation, you can click close and apply for you to come and do your basic visualization. Now the data is loading, preparing itself for visualization, and you will see all those tables in that particular data set here will have to appear here on the right hand side of the Power BI view. So you see here we are the columns, and column 1, column 2, as I did not give them a specific column name. So this is the way how to import the text file format. I have to delete this particular table for me to come with another file format type. So for now, I need to go back to home and then I click get data. As you are seeing, we have more than 100 data source that Power BI can extract data from. We are coming to extract data from the web, and we have to search web, web, and then here is where the web. You connect web. What this one will do, it will go and grab the data from the web where I want to take the data from. As you see, this pin being given by the Power BI is to insert the URL of the particular website where I'm going to take the data. For me, as I'm in Sierra Leone, I want to know the chiefdoms and their population. Chiefdom and their population. As I search, I try to locate it on a particular website. Let's say city population. This is a website which contain both my chiefdoms and their location. Here I have the chiefdom, the name, the status, the population, and the previous census being conducted. I copy the URL and then I have to paste it into the Power BI, and then I press OK. Here it should connect by now. That's okay. Sorry for that shot. Here you see it is coming now with the particular data. It's extracting it from the web, as you are seeing, guys. Here, all the tables in that particular website are being imported here. As you see, these are the tables. Now, this is the table that I need, table 3. As you see, the name, the status, the population, and so on and so forth. I click transform and load, and here it takes me to the Power Query directly. So this is a way to import data from the web, and after which I have to click here, close and apply for me to do visualizations. Let's see. Let me just do a basic demonstration. Let me say for a table format here, I take a table and then I say their names and their population. As you see, these are the names of the chiefdoms and their population. So clicking their population, you see this is the population. This is the population of that particular place. You see names and their population. So this is just an example of how to do that one. And I come here, I have to delete this one. The next one is to connect to a JSON file to the Power BI. I need to connect a JSON file type. Connected a JSON file type, let's come here. As we see, we have a JSON file type here, which was sent to me. And connected to this JSON file type, you have to save this JSON file type. I already save it in my directory. I have to come to get data, and I come to more. When I come to more, I type JSON. I click JSON, connect. As you are seeing, this is the JSON file type here, as you see in the JSON. I press open. But first of all, when you open the JSON file type, before this time, it will appear in that particular format, this format. But when I open it in the Power BI, it will rearrange it to tables. It will arrange it to tables, and that one is awesome. So you see, here you can do your various transformation, and then after which you prepare your data for visualization. So going forward, I have to show you another technique, and with the SQL, but for security reasons, I'll just show you the required document that you have to request as a Power BI developer from the admin. Here are the informations. This information actually are not correct. I just try to formulate something for me to complete this tutorial. Now you have to go to get data. Here, most times you see the SQL, but let's use the normal technique. We have to type SQL. We type SQL. Here it gives you the different type of SQL. Maybe it's a Azure database. Maybe it's a Postgres. It's a MySQL database. So you can use each of them. I take the SQL data server, and here I need to use this particular information here being given to me, and to log into this particular. You see, as you are seeing, this information is being given. So I need to copy this server, and then I paste it here, and then I need to copy this database, this one. I copy it here, and so on and so forth. To show you the username, you copy the username and place it again. To show you see the password, and you input the password to connect. And when you go to advanced query, here you can write your SQL code that you want to execute. And by writing this SQL code, you go and take that specific data that you request and bring it to the Power BI for data visualization. Thank you once more. I'm Cyril James. Wow, thank you very much for joining me in this journey of exploring the Power BI.